Start by opening your bank statement Excel file. This file contains all your recent transactions that need to be imported into your accounting software. Make sure you're working in a clean, modern office environment for a professional feel. The video will highlight important clicks with zoom effects and smooth transitions to guide you clearly. Next, review your transaction data carefully. Remove any unnecessary columns or blank rows to ensure the file is clean and ready for import. This step is crucial because accounting software requires a tidy format to process transactions accurately. Use filters or sorting to double-check your data. Once your data is clean, click on File, then select Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the file. From the drop-down menu, select CSV, delimited, as the file type. This format is compatible with most accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. Confirm and save the file. Now, open your accounting software. Navigate to the banking menu, then select Import Transactions. Locate the CSV file you saved and upload it. The software will process the file and display your transactions ready for review. The video will show these steps with clear zoom-ins and subtitles for easy following. Finally, once the import is complete, you'll see the message, Import completed successfully. This confirms your transactions are now in the accounting system, ready for reconciliation and further management.